So we're letting this cool down now, and one thing we want to do to let this get started with crystallization is give the seeds a spot to nucleate. That means some place for the crystals to basically start growing from. So to do that, we're going to take a glass stir rod. I'm just going to come down in here. And mark up the side just by scraping the stir rod right on that glass. And that should help it to crystallize as it cools. And so we want nice, slow crystals to nice, slow crystallization. So we really want them to begin forming as soon as they can. We could have also done this step right at the end if we had no crystals that had dropped out, but then we would see that all of those crystals would start to drop out of solution right away, and that would increase the chance of us getting not so great crystals. So hopefully we'll start to see some crystals start to form where I've scratched. I might put a scratch or two on the bottom there as well. And yeah, we'll let this run. Still pretty hot, so we're gonna let it keep cooling off. But you can see we've already formed a nice bunch of crystals. We've been cooling down for about 14 minutes now. We're still a little warmer than I'd like to be. I think when in the next, probably the next 3 minutes or so, we'll be at a good temperature to throw this into an ice bath. Alright, yeah, this is probably warm enough, or cool enough rather, to throw into the ice bath. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll get on to filtration.